This edition of the Ridley Report is brought to you by...
It's now spilling out of Keene District Court, and Andrew Carroll was found guilty.
Yeah, I already heard.
I wouldn't make it easy on them. Make them come and get you.
Oh no, it's a lot more fun to go to them.
Myself into...
You missed the end of it?
Andrew, so what happened in there?
Okay.
Toward the end there.
I'm guessing you got the rest of it, yeah. Towards the end, the judge found me guilty. He said he's going to fine me $420, which is so entertaining.
$420?
Yeah. Well, $350, which would be 6 days, plus a $70 20%, like pretty much plus the tax. Yeah.
The judge is fining you $420.
They put tax on their fines. Yeah. Oh yeah.
So he knows the significance of the number.
I think he was laughing too. Maybe.
So now, but you're going to refuse to pay the fine when next time?
I told him that, and he said he'd give me an opportunity to change my mind, which I'm not going to do because I'm not going to pay the fine. So he said on Monday I can come into the morning and tell him my plan, at which time I'll have to just walk over to Cheshire, the jail, and submit myself pretty much.
So it looks like what, a 7-day sentence or something like that? If they
it's a 6-day sentence. Oh, yeah, probably like 6.5 or something, 7. Yeah. Well,
Okay.
420 divided by 5 is yeah.
So yeah.
That's actually that'll be 8-day sentence.
So you got I mean, it looks like probably 30 activists almost here today.
We had 43 at some point. I think.
43, wow.
Well, Lauren was counting, and she said 43. I trust her.
All right, cool. Well, what do you want to happen next?
I don't know. I haven't given much thought to it. I didn't expect us to get through the whole trial here today, but I guess I didn't know enough about their proceedings to really defend myself properly from what they just kept objecting, and the judge said sustained, and there wasn't much I could do about it because I don't know their rules as well as they do, obviously. So I don't have much of a plan. I guess I'm gonna enjoy the weekend, and then Monday I'm gonna head over to the Cheshire County Jail and submit myself. I mean, I'm just gonna. So
you don't come to court. You just go directly to jail.
Judge Berg said go to court on Monday morning to talk to him, not for any legal not for any legal official purpose, just to go speak to him, one-on-one. And if I want to change my mind, so I'll go talk to him and I'll tell him I haven't changed my mind. I'm still gonna accept, I'm gonna accept jail time if that's what they're gonna do to me. So in which case, on Monday, sometime in the afternoon, I'll just have to walk over there and go to jail. I think that's pretty much what's happening. So, yeah, sure.
Did you consider going with a jury trial and attempting jury nullification? And if so, why did you reject that option?
They said I couldn't get jury trial without jail time involved, which means they say that if it's just a fine, then I don't have the right to a jury trial. That's what I read online, which means the only way I can get access to a jury trial would be to challenge not paying the fine, which I think I'm going to talk to the judge about that on Monday.
Well, the van that was there apparently to pick a bunch of us up if need be, apparently was not needed. One of the reasons why authorities may have been a little bit, less, I don't know, maybe more lenient today than they could have. You actually may be one of the reasons, Andrew. When they crack down, more people move here, and you're one of the people that moved here just recently, actually yesterday, as a result of, partly as a result of some of the crackdowns that have been going on in Keene. Tell me a little bit about that.
Well, actually, I was here when you, Dave, were arrested. I came up to the Liberty Forum, and just the generosity of everyone in Keene kind of attracted me to the Keene area, and I saw you get arrested for doing nothing wrong at all and not being disruptive or a nuisance in any way, and it kind of really appalled me, and everyone kind of supporting you in that really appealed to me and inspired me to move. It's one of the many reasons.
It's good to have you here. What is your thinking on the way things went in court today, with Barsky having his charges thrown out and then Andrew getting a $420 fine for marijuana possession?
Well, that's great that Barsky's charges were thrown out, but as far as Andrew goes, I don't think he should be fined or punished at all for doing what he did. And it's unfortunate that he's going to end up going to jail probably. Well,
now that the trial is over, the trials are over, Activists have descended on a local landmark.
Gotta get a picture of all of you out in front of the restaurant.
I like it a lot too.
A restaurant that came under fire for having a bold color.
nhliberty.org.